The first step in this chapter really talks about using the crop tool to get rid of this white stuff and also straightening out the picture. And it also talks about using this thing called resolution. So if we go over here to width, height, and resolution, it gives us our width and height, and then it gives us how many pixels per inch. So I'm going to talk a little bit about resolution. So I'm going to stop this just here for a minute and talk about resolution. I know in another movie in the Photoshop Basics, we talked about this over here. When we're creating a new document, we set up a value. We either set it at 72 pixels per inch, which is low quality, or 300 pixels per inch for high quality. Now, I picked that number 300 because it's always easy to back off that number. Here's a little bumper sticker I want you to start thinking about in your brain. And you'll see this in the movies as we move along. But here's the little mental bumper sticker, and that is the elevator only goes down. Okay? Technically speaking, you can't take a low quality image at 72. So let's say you've been working on a file for a long time at this low quality image, and then all of a sudden the boss walks in and says, hey, we need that to be a high quality image. Okay? Feasibly, you really can't just plunk a new number in here and go, okay, now it's a high quality image. It doesn't work that way. Okay? The elevator only goes down. You can only degrade the quality of an image. The only time that you can create a high quality image is if your camera or whoever took the picture used a high quality camera, high quality resolution, or if you've scanned the image at high quality. Now, the rule in the book says that when you're scanning, you should scan 1.5 to 2 times the size of the lines per inch listed for the printer. Now, which is great. If you know that, that's great. However, most of us don't know what the average lines per inch is, what the technical setting is on our printers. That's why I just sort of default to 300 and just go, okay, that's plenty, because I can always go into my other settings in Photoshop, and I'll show you where this lives actually. It's in the image menu, and you go down to image size. So here, this picture is actually 240 pixels per inch. So we could always degrade that image and drop that down to 200, and then we're ready to go. Okay, so you can always degrade an image. You can't always improve an image. The elevator only goes down.